What the Tech is sponsored by EPB Fiber Optics. Visit EPB.com to find the speed you need on Chattanooga's only network, delivering 25 gig speeds.
Smartphones make life easier in many ways, but one feature on iPhones makes it a little too easy for someone to snoop on your business. Unlocking an iPhone with a Face ID makes it simple to unlock your phone without entering a passcode. But that can be a problem if you want to keep what's on your phone private. Our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker explains.
Every iPhone user knows if you need to unlock your phone, you don't need to enter that password. All you need to do is look at it, at least if you've got an iPhone 10 or later. But the question is, could someone else take advantage of that feature to unlock your phone while you're maybe taking an afternoon nap? The answer is yes.
I tested it with my son sleeping on the couch. I pick up his phone, hold it in front of his face, and presto, I now have access to anything on his phone without him knowing. The key is in settings under Face ID and Passcode. Down near the bottom, there are options for attention. If require attention for Face ID is turned off, the phone will unlock whenever the camera sees your face, even with your eyes closed. And if I turn this on, your eyes must be open and you must be looking into the camera for the phone to unlock. Is there a downside to turning this on? Well, the phone might not unlock as quickly if you're not looking directly into the camera. It may also not work if you're wearing sunglasses. If you wear an Apple Watch, they might also be able to unlock your phone without using Face ID at all. If Unlock with Apple Watch is turned on in settings, the phone will unlock if it's in range of an unlocked Apple Watch.
So if you're concerned that a snooper may be unlocking your phone while you take a nap, turn on Require Attention in settings and turn off Unlock with Apple Watch. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.
It's a little more difficult to address with Android phones, as only some Android devices have the ability to unlock using the facial identification.